Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous videos, we just started Module 2 theory topics. Now let us go through the numericals of Module 2, that is GSLF method. On GSLF method, generally there are two types of questions will be posed in the examination. Calculate the voltages and angles. There will be a given question that calculating voltages and angles. There will be a 6 to 8 marks. Okay. And in type 2 questions, calculate power, load flow solution or line flow, so and so, other than this voltage and angles question. Okay, that is 8 to 10 marks. This will be very lengthy problems, lengthy solution. And in GSLF method there are 4 parameters, that is P, Q, V, delta, where P is active power, Q is reactive power, V is voltage, delta is phase angle. Now the formulas required for these solutions are Vi on this on. Don't worry about these equations. While solving, I will say how to remember these easily. And this is a power. SI is equal to Pi plus JQi is equal to Vi. Means P is equal to Vi. Formula we know right. That is SI is equal to Vi into II conjugate. Similarly, SI conjugate. This is plain SI, this is SI conjugate. Then plus becomes here minus, and the Vi conjugate becomes the conjugate cancels for II. We remain with only II. SI is equal to SGI minus SDI, that is generator minus distribution. That is where I is the ith bus. Okay. Now let us go through the one example. The question was given over here. For the sample system, generators are connected to the all 4 buses, while the loads are at bus 2 and bus 3. Bus 2 and bus 3 there are loads. Okay, and value of real and reactive power are listed in the table. All buses other than the slack bus are PQ bus. And then note this. Okay, let's go through the solution. Sometimes they will be given the data in the diagram format, but these in this question they have given in the table format. Okay, bus 1, 2, 3, 4 buses are there, where P, where active power PU, I said right 4 parameters, that is one of the parameters P. For first bus there is no P, no Q value, only V value is there, and this is called as reference bus, also called as slack bus. Next, for bus 2 we have P value, that is 0.5, minus 2, and so on. This is PQ buses. Let's have a note on this. Slack bus only V, okay, voltages, other values will be 0. Means in this table we don't have P is equal to 0, Q is equal to 0, and angle delta, right? This 0 is angle delta, this also 0, only voltage we have. Therefore bus 1 is the slack bus. Remember, only voltage is given, that is a slack bus. Next, generator bus called as PV bus. Delta Q are unknowns, means 4 parameters remaining delta Q, that's why this is unknowns. PV means generator bus. Remember, PV means generator bus. PQ means load bus. Okay, these 3 buses are PQ buses, means 2, 3, 4 buses are the load buses. Now getting into the solution. In the step 1, let us calculate Y bus of the system. Since the given values are in impedance values, therefore we have to convert these into the admittances. That is, example, take Z12 given as 0.05, that is 0.15 ohms. Here it is. Z12 is 0.05, 0.11.5. Now we need to convert this into admittance, that is 1 by Z12, that is equal to 1 by 0.05 plus 0.15 J. So J, this is equal to, in the keep the calci in the complex mode, and then take the ratio 1 divided by 0.05 plus 0.15 I, 2.6 I. Okay, 2 minus 6J, Y12. Similarly we have to calculate all the Y12, Y13. Similarly we have to do this. We need to convert the admittance into admittances. After calculating all the admittances, I have wrote separately in a table. This is Y12, that is 2 minus 6J. Similarly Y13, 1 minus 3J. Now let us calculate Y bus. Okay, we need to, for the step 1 we need to reduce, we need to calculate y bus. Therefore at bus 1 we need now y11. Okay, y11, that is here y11 means from y11 how many lines are going, y12 and y13 is going, right? We need to add those things. See in the table. Okay, in the table, okay, in the table here is 1, here is 1, therefore we need to add these two. Small y12, use small y, these are the small y's, admittances are small y's. Capital Y11 is equal to small y12 plus small y13. We need to see these 1s is equal to adding these two values, 2 minus 6j plus 1 minus 3j. We'll get 3 minus 9j. Similarly, now y12 we completed with y11 and next y12. This is minus of y12. Remember, this is minus of small y12. Minus of small y12 here is there. Minus of this value, minus 2 plus 6j. Minus of this value, right? Similarly, for y13 is equal to minus of y13. Okay, y13 minus of y13, minus 1 plus 3j. Next y14, we don't have y14 bus, therefore 0. And next at bus 2, we need to start with the diagonal element, that is 2 2. Okay, y22 is see the two bus in the bus code, see the two values. Here it is 2 2 2. We need to add these all. Okay, first here it is a 2 y12 and here also 2 y23 plus here also 2 y24, that is 2 minus 6j plus 0.066 minus 2j plus 1 minus 3j. We'll get 3.66 plus 11j. Sorry, this is minus 11j. Next y22 we completed. Next y23. y23 means minus of y23. Where it is y23? Here y23. Minus of y23 means minus of 0.66 plus 2j. Similarly y24, we have y24 data too. Minus of y24. Minus of y24 means minus 1 plus 3j. Similarly at bus 4, sorry, at bus 3. At bus 3 we need to calculate y33. Okay, see the table. In the table we have here 3, here also 3. So we need to add these two datas. Okay, y13 plus y34 is equal to 1 minus 3j plus 2 minus 6j. You will get, sorry, we have here also 3, right? We need to add these two. 2y23 plus 0.666 minus 2j. You will get 3.66 11j minus 11j. Next we completed with y33. Now y34. y34 we have data minus y34. This is equal to minus y34 means minus 2 plus 6j. Similarly at bus 4. At bus 4 we have y44 is equal to, see the in the table 4 buses. We have 4 and we need to add these two values, that is y24 plus y34. We'll get 3 minus 9j. Finally we need to write y bus. Okay, y bus of the system. For the y bus of the system, at bus 1, okay, at bus 1 we have y11, y12, y12, y14. Okay, first we need to write in the first row. These are all bus 1 related to the bus 1. y11 we have 3 minus 9j, 3 minus 9j, and y12 we have minus 2 plus 6j, and y13 we have minus 1 plus 3j, and y14 we have 0. Similarly now y22 we have 3.66, right here y22 come here. Okay, comes here 3.66 minus 11j, and y23 is minus 0.666 2j, and y24 is minus 1 plus 3j. Now y33 we need to write here 3.666 minus 11j. Now y34 is minus 2 plus 6j. At finally y44 3 minus 9j. The remaining, these all remain same here. Like this line we need to put here. Okay, that is minus 2 plus 6j, this comes here minus 0.66 2j, and now this 2 plus 6j, and we remain with these two values, right? Again upper triangular element, that is 3 plus j minus 3 plus j, and we left out with last one, this is 0. Finally we got the y bus. Now let's go to step 2. Now let's go to the step 2. In that we need to write given data in PU system. Okay, please do remember that in PU system. If not in PU system, we need to convert it. Okay, see the table. First we have for the first bus, okay, first bus we have slack bus, okay, reference bus. They wrote that slack bus, we have V1 voltage, 1 bus 1, so V1 voltage, this is in PU system only. Okay, directly take this value V1 of 0, because initial value, right? V1 of 0, put right V1 of 0, 1 angle 04 for what? Slack bus 1. For bus 2, that is PQ bus, right? PQ bus 2, PQ value already given, okay, that is 0.5, P2 is equal to 0.5, Q2 is equal to minus 0.2. PU, if these are not in PU, we need to convert into PU values. Next, PQ bus 3, P3 is equal to minus 1.0, Q3 is equal to 0.5 PU. Next, PQ bus 4, P4 is equal to 0.3, Q4 is equal to minus 0.1 PU. After noting these all, now for the step 3 we need to calculate voltage and angles. This is the final step in this solution, voltages and angles. Now we have V1 of 0 is equal to 1.04, and we don't have V2, V3 values. Okay, see here in the table V2, V3, V4 are not given. That is, we need to calculate this, and this is the type 1 numerical. Okay, we need to understand this. In the question they are not mentioned that you have to calculate voltage and angles. By seeing this table we can observe that we need to find voltage and angles. Okay, V1 of 0 is equal to 1.04, and we don't have V2 of 0, V3 of 0, so we need to assuming flat start, it's called as flat start. That is, remaining V2 voltages we all assume that V2 of 0 is equal to V3 of 0 is equal to V4 of 0 is equal to 1 angle 0. This is called as flat start. We assume the remaining bus voltages as 1 angle 0. Okay, now we need to calculate V1 of 1, V2 of 1, V3 of 1, V4 of 1. This is the procedure. Okay, now V1 of 0 given in the question, we wrote it, and we don't have initial values of V2, V3, V4, therefore we started as flat start, and we took V2, V angle 0, we assumed as 1 angle 0. Now we need to calculate V1 of 1, V2 of 1, V3 of 1. This is the procedure. Okay, first for V1 of 1, what is that? That is slack bus, right? For the slack bus, please do remember, for slack bus V1 of 0 is equal to V1 of 1, V1 of 2, V3 of 3, any iteration value. Okay, this is equal to V1 of 0 only for slack bus. Okay, only for slack bus. We completed with V1 of 1. Next, V2 of 1 we need to calculate. Okay, we need to put we have to put this formula. I'll say for the flow, please do remember this. V2 of 1 we required, right? Therefore second bus, we are in the second bus, right? 1 divided by Y22. This is the diagonal element. V2 of 1 is equal to 1 by Y22. Okay, and then P2 minus JQ2 divided by V2 only, at bus 2 only. Okay, V2 of 0 whole conjugate. Next, minus of, remember, minus of. Now we are at bus 2, right? Bus 2 elements, what are the bus 2 elements? Y21 will get, minus of Y23 will get, sorry, Y22 will get. Next, Y21 over y22 is already there here, therefore don't write this. Next y23 minus y23, next y24, we don't have y25. Okay, next we'll start with v1 and v2 already there here, don't write. Now v3, v4, put 0 0 0 at iteration values. Now substitute all the values in this. First y22 means from the y bus system. From the y bus, this is the y22 value, that is 3.666 minus 11j. And P2 we already calculated, right? That is 0.5. 0.5 minus j Q2 is minus 0.2 pu, therefore the minus becomes plus 2. V2 of 0, we started flat started, that is 1 angle 0 whole conjugate. Conjugate, remember, conjugate means imaginary value. If plus is there, it becomes minus. For this value, see here, 1 angle 0 is equal to 1 plus j0. We can write like this also. This is equal to, if we put this complex, this is 0. There is no difference, right? Conjugate means plus converted to minus, that's all. There is no difference. This is equal to 1, this is equal to 1. Okay. This minus y21. In the y bus system, this is the y21, minus 2 plus 6j. This is minus 2 plus 6j. Similarly, y1, this is 1 angle 0 minus of y23. What is y23? Minus 0.6 plus 2j. Minus 0.666 plus 2j into 1 angle 0. Finally, y24 is minus 1 plus 3j into 1 angle 0. After calculating this, do remember, operate single one. Operate first this value and next this value and second this value and these values. After doing these all calculations, after finally do the arithmetics and divide by this number. Do step by step in the complex numbers, okay? And we'll get y21 as 1.019 plus 0.046 jpu. Similarly, for v3, we have calculated v2 now. I'll say, see, v2 dash, right? v3 dash. Now we are at third bus, divided by 1 by y33. So third bus only we have. We are in the third bus only. P3 minus jq3 divided by v3 of 0 whole conjugate minus of. Now this is the third bus, right? Therefore y elements y31, y31, y32. We already have y33, right? Therefore now y34. Okay. Next v1, v2, v3 already there. Now we need to write v4. 0 0 0. But remember here, we have v2 0, but we have calculated v2 1, right, already. So v2 1, we need to use these value, okay? v2 1, we need to do changes, okay? First we need to write all the zeros, but just now we have calculated v2 1, okay? Now we need to update with the v2 1 value. Substitute all the values and we'll get the answer as 1.028 minus 0.087 jpu. Now similarly, we need to do for y44. Y4 means, sorry, v41 means we are at fourth bus, fourth diagonal element y44 divided by v4 minus jq4 divided by v4 whole conjugate minus of. Now we are at fourth bus only, therefore fourth bus elements are y41 minus of y42 minus of y43. Next y of y44, we already have y44. Now v1 of 0, v2 of 0, v3 of 0. Now we have v2 already calculated, so we need to write 1, and v3 1 also we calculated just now. Therefore we need to update the value. Okay, updated value we have to take. Okay, please do remember this. And finally we'll get answer as 0.125J, 0.0093 pu. This is the voltages. means we need to find angle also, right? Voltage and angles. Please change this into the polar form. We will get angle in the calculator. That is minus 1.109 plus 0.046 I is equal to shift press 2. This is we need R angle theta 3 just is equal to, and press this SD. This is 1.02 angle of 177.41. This is the angle. Okay, this is the voltage, this is the angle. In the next video lectures, we'll go to the another type of in the type 1 we'll see the another example. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe my channel. If any doubts and queries related to these questions, you can join my Telegram group, link in the description, and comment me for any other queries. Thank you for watching.